As you can see from the title, we finally got the new wheels that we're going to be putting on the off-road Cayennes, and today we're going to go ahead and reveal them. Here are the boxes of our new wheels. These are Jirath's and these are mine. If you guys don't know already, for the 5x130 bolt pattern, there isn't many aftermarket solutions for wheels as far as being off-road ready and like are able to support the weight capacity of these Cayennes. They're not like insanely heavy, but they do need a pretty durable wheel, especially if we're going to be going off-roading. So with that being said, the aftermarket options are pretty limited. We don't have a huge selection choice. And then hopefully, you know, with everything going on, we have more manufacturers catering to the 5x130 bolt pattern. But this is what we got. We both got different brands, different wheels. Well, we'll start with you. You open your box first. We want to see your wheels first. What did you get?
So, core's already open. Like a little.
Oh.
Alright, so here she is.
The backside of a wheel.
So, this is a Sparco. Some Subaru people might familiar with these. Sparco Terra, I think that's what it's called. So this one's going to be 5x100, and I already bought the spacers for it. I mean adapter spacers for it. So
the wheel adapters. Yeah,
so it's gonna go from 5x130 to 5x100 with some fat tire.
Oh yeah. What is the size of these?
18 by 8.5.
18 by 8.5.
Yeah.
Okay. So like I mentioned before, there's not a lot of 5x130 options.
No.
So what you can do is get a different 5-lug bolt pattern, like what he did. He did 5x100. And do you have the wheel adapters actually to show?
It's in the car. Oh, the wheel's actually 18 by 8.
And so it's actually 18 by 8. Here's the specs right here. The center bore is 63.4 5x100. And these are the wheel adapters he's going with. What size?
The thickness is 25 mils, and it's 5x130 to 5x100 with the spacers. I mean,
with the hub-centric.
Yeah, the hub-centric ring. Yeah, so your wheel doesn't shake.
No shaky wheels here.
No shaky wheels.
Oh yeah, what offset are these?
I believe it's 45.
So plus 45 offset. And then with this 25mm spacer, it should be around ET20, right? Yeah. 20 offset. It's going to change the offset to around ET20. So we're going to get a decent amount of poke. As you can see right here, it's kind of like flush-ish with the fender right now, but we're going to give it a nice bump in poke. So yeah, these are his wheels. They look so nice. Basically, you can see it's going to go on the white. We have a nice gunmetal. Right, silver.
It's like silver.
It's like a silverish color. We have the blue Sparco decals. Sick. Oh, and it also has these center caps. I don't think it's. Is it blue?
It's blue.
Okay, they're blue.
Just wait.
Just
You'll
wait.
see another set back there.
Oh, and then we have
Looks
my set.
much better than mine.
No, it doesn't. These look really good. I think both builds are going to look insanely good. It's going to show both of our tastes and how we want to kind of fix it up. But at the same time, this is not the end of the build. This is just the beginning. We can always change, you know, the wheels and whatnot. So,
Yes, sir.
okay, time to show mine. All right, so here are my wheels. Oh, I already opened it. Okay. Wow. Oh yeah, I just wanted to check these. Okay. Here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, okay, it's the backside. Oh. Here she is. I went with a black wheel. I wanted to keep it a little simple. Wow. All right, ready? Here's the reveal. 3, 2, 1. Woo! So these are the Victor Equipment Berg wheels. Scratch. All right, they're gonna get messed up anyways. But Victor Berg wheel. This is 18 by 8 plus 20. Yeah. So here she is in all her glory. Got some nice concave going on right here. And no, these are not real bead locks, but it's like a fake bead lock look.
Looks good.
It's a newer wheel that just came out that they're Victor Equipment's catering to the 5x130 off-road specs.
Wait, I see TSW stickers on the side.
Really?
Is it made by TSW?
It's probably like manufactured by TSW, to be honest.
Oh yeah, look.
You got a TSW sticker. Interesting. These were made April? Is that April 4th or is that September 4th?
I have no idea.
Well, probably April 4th.
is tomorrow, so.
Oh. All right, April 4th, 21.
So you can see spec right there, 18x8, 5x130.
Yeah, 5x130, 18x8, plus 20 offset. And then here's my center cap. Just a normal black center cap. That's what it'll look like. Nothing too crazy, but you know, finally able to get these wheels on. And I don't know if I showed you guys already, but we did pick up a set of tires that we're going to be running. We're both running the same spec and same tire. We're going with Falcon Wild Peak AT3W. What did we get? 275, 65, 18.
Yep.
That's the side that we kind of did the research of, that we don't need to do too much modifications as far as like pinch welds or like too much rubbing issues. So we're going to find out. Like we said, there's not a huge amount of information as far as like off-roading with these Cayennes, so everybody is still in the process of like learning and figuring things out. There is a huge help from like people like Eurowise or like the Porsche and VAG Facebook groups, or like there's a ton of people already in the community. So like within the last few months or even like the last year or so, there's been a ton of progression in the VAG and Porsche off-road community, so it's pretty cool. Before we go ahead and we're going to ceramic coat these and get these ready for mounted, let's kind of mock these up and see what they look like.
Let's go.
That's the best we could do for now. This is how she's going to be looking. It looks hilarious with these skinny low profile tires, but obviously we're going to get some meaty ones on there. But yeah, can't really tell. Let's try Jiraths. Sir. Oh, nice. Well, that's gonna look good. Just imagine a nice fat Falcon Wild Peak on there. That looks good. I think it's gonna look really good with the silver and white. Oh, it's hard to like imagine what it's actually gonna look like, but I think once we get everything done, it's gonna look good. All right, so now that we revealed the wheels to you, we're just gonna go ahead and ceramic coat these because we wanna make it easier to clean for when, you know, we go off-roading. Any mud, dirt, whatever, brake dust, it's literally just gonna come right off. We have the master detailer himself, like always. We'll be taking care of that, and we'll show you the products that we use too. What are we using? So this is the product that we're gonna use on the wheels. It's gonna be G-Technique C5. And we're going to be putting 2 layers of this on it. It's going to be a lot easier to take care of, and it will last for a while. Yeah, it'll last us a good amount of time. We use these on all of our personal cars, and he uses that same thing for all of his clients. So it's just the go-to. It's the go-to. So yeah, we'll be doing 2 layers of coating for both the face and the inner barrel. So right now we're just wiping off the second coat. Final wipe down. Then these will dry off, and from there put them back in the box, and they'll be just waiting to get mounted. So one good thing is we finally found a shop that we're going to be going to for installing the lift and everything. We were considering just doing it all DIY, but it's a little bit tedious, so we just want to make sure it goes to the right shop and it gets done correctly, and it kind of just saves us a lot of time because we want to have the most fun just taking them out and seeing what they're really capable of. But anyways, those are the 2 sets of wheels. You good? But anyways, those are the 2 sets of wheels that me and Jirath got for our Porsches. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.